Black seed oil benefits. Black seed oil derived from the Nigella sativa plant has been traditionally used for various medicinal purposes. While scientific research on its benefits is ongoing, some potential health advantages have been identified. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It may help reduce inflammation in the body. 2. Antioxidant effects. The oil is rich in antioxidants that can help neutralize free radicals, potentially protecting cells from damage. 3. Immune system support. Some studies suggest that black seed oil may have immunomodulatory effects, helping to regulate and support the immune system. 4. Antimicrobial properties. Black seed oil has demonstrated antimicrobial activity against a variety of pathogens, including bacteria and fungi, which may contribute to its traditional use for treating infections. 5. Cardiovascular health. There is evidence to suggest that black seed oil may have a positive impact on heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Some research indicates that black seed oil may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 7. Respiratory health. Black seed oil has been traditionally used for respiratory conditions. It may have bronchodilator and anti-asthmatic effects, helping to improve respiratory function. 8. Skin conditions. The oil may be applied topically to address certain skin issues such as eczema or psoriasis due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. 9. Digestive health. Black seed oil may aid digestion by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria and soothing inflammation in the digestive tract. 10. Weight management. Some studies suggest that black seed oil may contribute to weight loss by reducing appetite and improving metabolic health. It's important to note that while these potential benefits are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and effectiveness of black seed oil for various health conditions. Additionally, before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications,